Let's start. I have already imported the project files. You can download project files in the below description link. Now create a new composition. Name it as Cinematic Trailer. Set preset as HDTV 1080 frame rate 29.97. Set the time duration to 6 seconds. Right-click and create a new text. I am typing the text as trailer. Change the font type to Asinix. You can download all the fonts in the below description link. Change font size to 140. Align the text to center. Effect and preset. Animation presets. Text. Tracking. Drag and drop decrease tracking to the text. Press U to display keyframes. Change value to 150. Drag this keyframe to end of the timeline. Right-click and create a new text. I am typing the text as cinematic. Grab selection tool and pressing Shift key, place the text right here. Now change the font type to Ben Gothic LTBT. Change font size to 100. Go 1 second in timeline. Press T to bring opacity. Click stopwatch icon. Change opacity value to 0. Now go up 1.25 seconds forward and change value to 100. OK. Now select both text layers. Right-click, Pre-compose. Mark Move All Attributes and change name to text. Click OK. Take 2 duplicates of text layer. Hide first text layer. Now select second text layer and effects and preset search for fill. Add it to second text layer. Change color to black. Now search for matte choker. Add it to second text layer. Change geometric softness 1 value to 2. Change iterations value to 4. Now select these 2 layers. Right-click, Pre-compose. Mark Move All Attributes and change name to text border. Hide text border and unhide text layer. Go to Project Panel and drag and drop Reflection Map to Timeline. Press S to bring scale. I am changing scale value like this. I am placing the map right here. OK. Now Effect and Preset search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop it to Reflection Map layer. Change output width to 200. Mark mirror edges. Go 0 seconds in timeline. Click stopwatch icon in Tile Center. Now go to end of the timeline. Change X amount like this. Cool. Right-click, Pre-compose. Change name to Reflection Map. Mark Move all attributes. Click OK. If you don't see track matte, simply click here. Change track matte to text. Effect and Preset search for CC Glass. Drag and drop it to Reflection Map layer. Change Bump Map to text. Change softness to 30. Change height to -30. Change displacement to -500. Select light drop-down arrow. Change light type to point light. Effect and Preset search for CC Blotilize. Add it to Reflection Map layer. Change Blob layer to text border. Property to alpha. Change softness value to 6. Change cutaway value to 3. Change light type to point light. Cool. Effect and Preset search for curves. Add it to Reflection Map layer. Change the curve like this. Now create a new composition. Name it as Main. Click OK. Go to Project Panel and drag and drop Cinematic Trailer Composition to the timeline. Again, drag and drop Plexus Movie Clip to the timeline. Select Plexus layer. Right-click, Time, enable time remapping. Now drag this keyframe to end of the timeline. Also drag this to the end like this. Press T to bring opacity. Change opacity value to 30. Drag and drop Spark movie clip to the timeline. Change cinematic composition to 3D. Press P to bring position. Go 10 frames in timeline and add a keyframe for position. Now go beginning of the timeline and change position Z value like this. Select both keyframes, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease. Now select Graph Editor. Change graph type to Edit Speed Graph. Change graph curve like this. Cool. Now drag and drop Flare movie clip to the timeline. Trim layer like this. Change modes to add. Press P to bring position and change position of flare movie. Create a new solid. Name it as Film Bar. Change color to black. Click OK. On Title Action Safe. Double-click on Rectangle tool. Again, double-click on Mask Path. Pressing Ctrl key, drag like this. Select Mask 1 drop-down arrow and mark inverted. Okay, now our animation is ready. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.